Floating out into the wild, like there's no one round for miles and miles. The sun is rising, leads us right back home, back home. 'Cause this world keeps spinning faster, and we've gotta chase this light. Let all our shooting stars align. It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time. Feel your heart.
Si Sandra, sweet, thoughtful, playful, cheerful. Pero habang lumalaki sila, nababaliktad na yung situation eh. Yung mas maliit, si Alex, siya na ngayon yung mas nagiging makulit, mas cheerful, mas magaslaw, mas matapang. Si ate medyo unti-unti na nagdidemure eh.
Siguro kasi growing old. Actually, she's turning 10 this coming February 14. 1 week apart lang yung
Birthday nila.
So kaya pinagsabay na namin.
It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time.
Kasi sabay namin binibigay yung iPad nila dahil bawal silang mag-iPad ng Monday to Friday. During school days, bawal ng iPad. Pag Saturday, Sunday, sabay nilang nahahawakan yung iPad. Iisa lang naman yung pinupuntahan nilang channel Cat's Eye. Kung anong gusto ni
Yes,
ate,
oo, hindi. Talagang ina-idol niya. Everything na yung makikita niya kay ate,
ginagaya niya.
ginagaya niya.
Pag sinilip mo, sumasayaw ng sabay, kumakanta ng sabay.
Hands up, Gabriella, Gabriella, hands up, Gabriella, la la. Back off on my fella, Gabriella, back off, Gabriella, la la. 'Cause ooh, you can have anyone else you wanted to. I'm begging you, hands off, Gabriella, Gabriella, hands off, Gabriella, la la, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Para kay ate, wish ko sa'yo, i-pursue mo yung gusto mo, lalo na nakikita ko more on dancing. Nandito lang kami nila daddy at nila kuya to support, to push you up. Kung may times na you're not doing good or hindi mo nabibigay yung best mo, part lang yan ng life. Meron talagang ups and downs, pero never ka mag-give up.
Sa studies mo, wala naman akong masasabi. Baka kailangan lang ng madagdagan yung review time during examinations. Sa grades, ayos na ayos, walang problema. Mataas pa nga grades mo kaysa nung nag-aaral ako eh. Keep up the good work. Wag na natin pag-usapan. Sila ang topic dito, hindi ako.
No, I ain't done yet. Got a whole lot left in me. Woo! Gotta go all in if you wanna be the best. Gotta stand tall, gotta say it with your chest. No, I ain't done yet. Here we go. No, I ain't done yet. Got a whole lot left in me. Woo! Gotta go all in if you wanna be the best. Gotta stand tall, gotta say it with your chest. No, I ain't done yet. Here we go. Yeah, I'ma bring it back to the basics. Feet onto the pavement, taking one step at a time. I'm gonna make it. Life is shorter by the minute, don't waste it. If you ever had a dream, go chase it. If you ever get your chance, then take it. I'll be at it every day, just moving along, singing the song like la 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 la. No, I ain't done yet. Woo! Got a whole lot left in me. Woo! to the sky.
Alec, huwag pairalin ang pagiging bunso. Masyadong matapang. Ikaw ang pinakamaliit, ikaw ang pinakabata, pero ikaw pinakamatapang. Noon, hindi ka umiimik, kinakausap ka, hindi ka nagsasalita. Ngayon naman, parang nasobrahan. Maging masipag sa pag-aaral. Actually, si Alec, pagka mababa ang grades, umiiyak yan. Pag meron siyang isa o dalawang wrong or mistake sa exam niya o sa quiz, umiiyak yan. Sana madala mo yan hanggang paglaki mo, anak. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Kay Alex, stay sweet, maintain everything. Huwag kang masyadong matapang, lalo na kay kuya at kay ate. Pagiging sweetness mo, maintain mo lang yan. Tapos always put in your mind na andyan si God na mag-guide. And always, mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Happy birthday, Sandra and Alec. We love you.